my name is Tiana and welcome to my channel. So on this channel I will be showing you how I draw, mostly portraits and mostly with graphite pencils. So for this introductory video I will be showing you some of my drawings so that you can know what to expect. I started drawing on the daily basis around 2 years ago after learning the basics of drawing from a Udemy course taught by Jason Batchelor. I've drawn hundreds of portraits since. But even before that, I've been doodling all my life to focus and to de-stress, but mostly just abstract forms. And now I've added some realism to it, but not too much, not hyper-realism though. I will definitely not be showing you how to make drawings that look like black and white photographs. These drawings definitely look like just drawings, but they mostly take me up to an hour to draw. And a lot of them are of cats. And I've also thrown in a couple of celebrities, so if you want you can try to guess in the comments who these two are supposed to be. So I mostly give these drawings to people as gifts, but I've also had some commissions and there are people who like them and who think that they are special, warm, expressive and lively, and they show a consistent style. And a few fellow friends and artists have asked me to show how I draw them, so I'm starting this channel to share a few tips and tricks I've learned on the way. So what I intend to do is record my drawing process in 15-minute chunks and without speeding it up, and you can speed it up for yourself if you get bored, but I will try to comment on everything I do with pencils and with erasers. And I will try to improve my gear as I go, but being a recovering perfectionist, I know that perfect is the enemy of the good. And if it starts as good, or at least barely acceptable, or somewhat useful, then it has a chance of getting great later on, as long as it starts. So, this is the portrait I'm working on right now, and I also wanted to show you the reference photo I used for it, and you can see that I'm not really copying this reference photo, I'm just using it as the basis. And if you'd like to see my drawings, I have a website and you can see both drawings and how people reacted when they received them. And I'm also here on Facebook, and you can follow me on Instagram. You can see that there are 712 posts that you can see there, and I will be sharing all the links in the description section. So in the next video I will be starting with a blank piece of paper and a new reference photo, and I'll try to get to something like this value watch. And thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video, and I hope you will subscribe and follow me, and I hope that together we will be drawing the happiest smiles and the most serious frowns. Thank you.